Hey everybody, I'm going to be introducing Hopscotch here. This is Steve Bergen, and let's get started. So what you see as we launch Hopscotch, there's the multicolored icon, is that we have an environment where on the left-hand side we have our commands, and in the middle we're doing our scripting. You have sections. The top is the menu, and then there's the drawing section, and then the control section, and the appearance section, and the variable section, and the math section. If you are reasonably savvy with Scratch, you'll say, oh, this looks like a kid's version of Scratch, and you'd be absolutely right. So let's go ahead and let's do a control thing where we have a loop, and we're going to draw ourselves a square with our friend the monkey. So we put this loop in the middle. We want to leave a trail, because leave a trail is the same as pen down. And we want to go forward by a certain amount and rotate a certain amount. And so for the square, it will be a distance of, I don't know, how about 100? And for the four angles, it'll be 90. And this should draw a square. Change that to 4. How do you run the program? You run the program by using one of the starters there. You could say when the play button is tapped, or to be a little bit different, you can say when the iPad is tilted left. So I'm going to go when the iPad is tilted left, and now I'm going to go play, and now nothing's happening, and I tilt the iPad to the left even though you don't see it, and it draws a square. And it will continue to draw a square as long as I tilt it to the left. Okay? And the fact that it will continue to draw a square means that I might be able to do something clever and have repeating squares or rotating squares. So what about if at the end of this stuff for the monkey, okay, whoops, I just lost it here. We will just start a new script. This, by the way, a plus lets you have a different object. So I will get myself an octopus, and the block I will use again, and you'll see some repetition here, but we'll do it slightly different, is we'll say repeat a certain number of times, and we will leave a trail, and this time I will repeat 6 times, and I will draw a hexagon. So I will get a movement here, and I'm going to move, and I'm going to rotate, and this time I'm going to move 100, but rotate 60. 60, I believe, is right for a hexagon, and this time we'll do it when it's tapped. If you look up top, this is where the octopus begins. Notice the grid is approximately 1000 by 750. So I'll move the octopus where I want to start, and I'll press play, and I get myself a hexagon. You can have multiple scripts and multiple sprites. So the octopus should be drawing an octagon, but it's drawing a hexagon. And the monkey could have a script that is moving forward, rotating a certain amount, and we could put all that in a repeat loop. Don't forget you need the pen down, so you gotta leave a trail. You can put that leave a trail outside or inside. It's just a way of saying pen down. And we could say repeat 20 times, move a distance of 300, rotate 30 degrees. I think with this number should be smaller. The point is that when you press the play button, the monkey script will be enacted and the octopus script will be enacted. And so let's put the monkey, octopus there and monkey there. And now we'll choose play. And now both of them will be drawing at the same time. Okay, we're going to end it here. That's lesson 1. There'll be more.